address this. We need to fix that because it would not be cool to sell this to somebody and then 20 pulls later they're screwed, right? And it's an easy fix, so why not fix it? I'm gonna pull this slowly all the way out. Not all the way, but just enough to have some rope there. And then just take the vice grips, pull it there so it doesn't suck it back in, you know? And now we're just gonna cut that. Just burn the end so it's nice and hard. Now here's the handle with that rope that you just cut, right? There's a metal plate here. Just take a flathead screwdriver and pry this part off. See that? And now you just pull it out. Just like that. See? You loop the new rope right through it again. Make a knot right there. First you have to loop it through the handle. Then you make the knot. Then push it back into place. And there you have it. Perfect. Now it's all fixed. So, you guys just saw it. From picking it off the street to my garage to fixing the pull cord recoil starter handle rope to cleaning the carburetor and now knowing what's wrong with it. We know it starts and it runs well. It just needs new teeth for the starter and a new primer bulb. And this thing is ready to be listed again for free. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.